Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a millionaire? It's a question that sparks intrigue and curiosity, one that many of us have pondered. What does it really take to accumulate that seven-figure sum? Is there a secret formula or a blueprint to follow? Or is it just down to sheer luck? The allure of the millionaire lifestyle is undeniable, and the quest to understand it is equally captivating. Well, you're in the right place to find out. Becoming a millionaire might seem like an impossible dream, but it's more achievable than you might think. Let's start by debunking some common misconceptions about millionaires. The first myth is that millionaires are born into wealth. The truth is, a great number of millionaires are self-made. They come from all walks of life, from teachers to small business owners, engineers to artists. They've worked hard, saved diligently, and invested wisely to accumulate their wealth. The second misconception is that millionaires live lavish lifestyles, spending extravagantly on luxury cars, mansions, and high-end fashion. However, the reality is quite different. Many millionaires live relatively modest lives, prioritizing financial security over opulent displays of wealth. They understand the importance of living within their means and saving for the future. Another myth is that becoming a millionaire is all about luck, like winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. But the truth is, becoming a millionaire is rarely about luck. It's about following specific steps and strategies. It's about making smart financial decisions and having a clear plan. Perhaps the most damaging misconception of all is that becoming a millionaire is an unattainable dream for the average person. However, with the right mindset, knowledge, and determination, anyone can build wealth over time. Anyone can become a millionaire. So what does it take to become a millionaire? It involves setting clear financial goals, living below your means, saving and investing consistently, and having a continuous thirst for knowledge and personal growth. It takes patience, perseverance, and a lot of hard work. But it's not an impossible dream. It's a realistic goal that's within your reach. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't about the flashy cars or the luxurious mansions. It's about financial freedom. It's about having the ability to live life on your own terms without worrying about money. It's about creating a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your millionaire journey? The path to wealth is not a secret. It's all about following a blueprint. Now, let's dive into the key steps to becoming a millionaire. First and foremost, saving and investing wisely. This is the cornerstone of any wealth-building strategy. You've probably heard the phrase, pay yourself first. Well, it's time to put it into action. Each month before you pay your bills or spend on wants, set aside a portion of your income for savings. This could be 10, 20, or even 50% depending on your financial situation. But remember, the more you save, the faster you build wealth. Next, invest. Let your money work for you. This could mean investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. The idea is to create a diverse portfolio that can weather any financial storm. And remember, investing is not about quick wins. It's about playing the long game and watching your wealth grow over time. The second step is diversifying your income streams. Don't rely solely on your 9-to-5 job. Create multiple sources of income. This could be through a side hustle, a rental property, or even passive income from your investments. The more income streams you have, the more financially secure you become. The third step is continuous learning and improving your financial literacy. The world of finance is vast and constantly evolving. Keep yourself updated. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. And remember, financial literacy is not just about understanding numbers. It's about understanding how money works and how to make it work for you. Finally, remember to keep your expenses in check. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Avoid lifestyle inflation and focus on building wealth. So there you have it. The path to becoming a millionaire is not a straight line. It's a journey filled with learning, discipline, and perseverance. But with the right blueprint, it's a journey anyone can embark on. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire is not a sprint, but a marathon. Knowing the path to becoming a millionaire is one thing, but taking action is where the real work begins. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get ready to bring those dreams to life. Let's start with setting financial goals. You wouldn't embark on a road trip without a destination in mind, would you? The same applies to your financial journey. Whether it's setting aside a certain amount each month for savings, cutting down on unnecessary expenses, or aiming for a specific net worth by a certain age, having clear, tangible goals creates a roadmap for your financial success. Next, let's talk about budgeting. This isn't just about tracking every cent you spend, but rather understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions about your spending. It's about allocating resources wisely and ensuring you're not just working for your money, but that your money is working for you. And finally, invest in your financial education. This is a non-negotiable step on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and never stop learning. Understanding the financial world, the markets, and the principles of investing is an investment in itself, one that will pay dividends in the long run. Remember, every millionaire started somewhere. They took that first step, made that first investment, and committed to their financial journey. The only thing standing between you and your millionaire dream is action. We hope this video has inspired and equipped you with the knowledge to start your millionaire journey. As we continue to unravel the secrets to financial freedom, your engagement with our channel plays a crucial role. Your likes are our motivation, your comments our inspiration. They drive us to create more valuable content tailored to your needs. Engage with us, ask questions, share your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey towards financial prosperity. Every subscription, every like, every comment brings us closer as a community of financial enthusiasts. Share this video with others who might find it useful. Let's help each other grow. Let's create a financially literate community, one video at a time. And remember, your journey to becoming a millionaire starts today. We're excited to be part of your journey. Stay tuned for more financial insights and tips.